Annmarie, how low can oil go? Some traders are definitely seeing the prices heading below $20 a barrel. Of course, yesterday we had a record jump after comments from President Trump. Where do we stand right now?
Yeah, Nara, as you mentioned, it can go significantly lower what the street's saying. Citi's saying 17, FGE is saying $12 a barrel. Some traders I talked to say for WTI, we could see single digits. And what you're hearing now is that this price war is not abating. Moscow is saying that everyone is waiting for Riyadh or Russia to blink, and Putin is saying it's not going to be him. An incredible scoop by our bureau in Moscow. And some of the people they were speaking to is saying that he has this strong man. This is the cultivated image that Putin has. And he's not going to back down to anyone. He's been in helm for 2 decades. He's been through crises like this, and they have built Russian reserves for this moment. They didn't expect to be in this moment, this price war with Saudi, but now that they're in it, they maintain that they could be the ones that can last the longest. Very interesting, but we should note that their budget is for just above $40 a barrel. Already it's starting to hit them. We see the ruble a bit weaker. They're going to have to draw there on their sovereign reserves in order to maintain the economy, and already it's going to push them likely into a recession.
So, Annmarie, are strategists and the market then not convinced that President Trump will actually be able to support the price?
Well, Texas Nair is actually the 3rd biggest producer in the world. I think, if anything, potentially support the price could be what they're considering is curbing production from the United States. The U.S. has amassed massive production, 3rd biggest producer after Russia, after Saudi. That could potentially up the price. And then, of course, President Trump weighing in. If anything, he could be the one to potentially strike a deal between Riyadh, because that is a strong ally of the U.S. government. The most critical thing President Trump said yesterday is he said that he has a lot of power in this situation, and that he will intervene at the appropriate time. When is that appropriate time? We'll have to wait and see. He might be giving Saudis a bit more room to put some pressure on Riyadh, or he's waiting for prices to go a bit lower. If everyone is saying we're heading into global recession, lower gas prices could help consumers.